Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen. It's been a while, so I'm going to start with a banger. In today's video, I'm making my version of chicken mexicano, tender chicken breast simmered in a rich tomato sauce with peppers, chilies, finished with plenty of melted cheese, inspired by the classic Mexican flavors but made with simple ingredients and a touch of Irish home cooking. This is a comforting one-pan meal that's easy to make and perfect for the whole family. So let's get started. Our ingredients for the sauce are chopped chilies, diced tomatoes, diced onions, walnuts, diced red and green peppers. To make the sauce, it's over to our food processor, and to that we're going to add the walnuts, garlic and diced onions and pulse them until crushed. Stopping halfway through to scrape the sides and to get all the ingredients out. Now I'm going to preheat a frying pan, spray with some low calorie oil. Now to the pan I'm going to be adding 2 chicken breasts, and I'm going to be seasoning both sides with a sprinkle of cayenne pepper and some salt and pepper. I'll cook for 5 minutes on each side until they're both golden brown. Now folks, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel, and now I'm back. I'm going to be making videos every week. Now we'll remove them from the pan and we'll set them to the side. To the same pan I'm going to add the tomatoes, sliced chili, diced pepper, the walnut and onion mixture, and then I'm going to fry for 2 minutes. Then add the chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, salt and a little more cayenne pepper. Now then I'll reduce the heat and I'll place the chicken breast back into the pan. Place the lid on and simmer on low for about 20 minutes, just until the chicken's fully cooked through. Now remove the lid and cover the chicken with grated cheddar cheese. Replace the lid, turn off the heat and leave for about 5 minutes until the cheese is melted, and then I serve it with boiled rice. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and tell all your friends, and I'll see you again in the next video.